Bro, imagine a world where you're doing 100 million views every month and you making $0. That was me. Yeah, you heard me. Over 100 million views every month on Instagram and I was making no money. So what the hell did I do about it, you ask? I simply discovered simps. Simps. Yes, I mean simps. Because guess what? I have AI girls. I've been making these girls. I have a company. We've been making these girls. We're getting tons of views. But then I realized the simps pay with attention. And how could I better harness their attention but to use a website that let me capture the leads from these views? And what I mean by that is I discovered a website called FanView. Bro, this is what I'm talking about. Y'all know how I feel about OnlyFans and all this other shit, but this is a way that we could capitalize and start earning income passively off of people that are not even real. What I mean by that is, look at the screen. These are girls that I made, and these girls each get hundreds of millions of views, okay? So what that means is, okay, if they're getting a lot of views, they're getting attention, people want to talk to them, message them, ask them, where'd you get the shirt? How'd you get the shirt? Oh, how old are you? Whatever the hell they want to talk to them about, or just look at them more, you need a place to do that. So this is just one of the other ways we're going to use AI to figure out how to get rich in the year 2026. And this is FanView. Let me show you the screen. So as y'all see, I'm here on FanView, and you see $626 out of 1,000. So first things first, I want to show you that we actually made some papers. No cap in my rap. You see $626 out of 1,000. Now the reason I said almost 2,000 is because I had another account, and that account in 7 days made over $700. It ended up getting deleted, and they didn't even tell me why. So FanView, that's crazy as hell. But they didn't tell me why, but it got deleted because we violated some sort of something on the platform, I'm assuming, and they took all the cheese with it. But you see a fresh, brand new $626. Now, before we go ahead and talk about money and what you need to do with FanView, you got to get some AI characters and you got to figure out where to get them, how to make them, and what to do with that. Let me show you. So y'all already know I use a tool. So no matter what tool you want to use, I use Hixfield. You're going to be able to come in here and make all your graphics, your images, your videos. You see here goes some of my AI girls. But let me show you a video example. Let's say we want to show you, how about this? So these are all examples of dope videos you can get made right here on the platform. It doesn't always got to be freaky, but you can go all different type of ways with videos. Now, once you get your content, bro, you see everything right here looking realistic. This is dog food that's not even real. Yeah, crazy as hell. So once you get your content, post. Now, when you post on Instagram, these are some examples of how your page is going to look. Now we got a lot of views, we got a proof of concept, we understand that people like attention. Bro, the shit is really simple and it's crazy. You will be surprised how much Simps loves girls, bro. It's crazy. Now, we got the girl, you've been posting on Instagram, even if it's 2 days you've been posting. Let me show you how you can set up a page to take them off Instagram, capture the leads, their emails, communicate with them more, and monetize further. Watch. So you go here to FanView. Now, once you sign up, these are the simple steps that they literally show you a tutorial. So you build your AI avatar. So the AI avatar is a starting point. That's where you create, you know what I mean? So you'll be able to start right here on the screen and you can monetize right here. And I'm going to show you some examples of other creators. But the second thing you do, you want to upload all your content to the vault. The reason this, or the vault rather, I don't know why I said it. But the reason this is key is because when you put all your content here, it's all going to be stored here. You can delete it off your phone or wherever else you're keeping it, and this leads to quicker uploads. Let me show you the other steps. 3, you're going to make your first post. Obviously, self-explanatory, my dog. Next, set up promotions. So they got promotions and everything's built in right here, bro. Like literally on the platform, you don't need to go anywhere else. It's like they took OnlyFans and put it on steroids. Me personally, I don't have an OnlyFans account. I don't know what the hell they do over there. But all the clients that I manage of the girls that do OnlyFans or whatever they do, they say that this platform got everything that place don't got. You get what I'm saying? So it don't mean you have to only do freaky type content, by the way. You can do wholesome, good content. You can cook. One of the dudes I know cooks on there. Do what the hell you want, nigga. I'm just telling you what's here. Next, you're gonna promote your FanView. You can get verified. 6 is how to send the PTV content in chats. This is how you're going to send the pay-to-view content. This is where the paper comes in, the chats. You need to start chatting with people, and they even have automated messages. So before you even start, oh, I don't have any time and all this other shit, they have automated messages. And right here, you're going to be able to set up your own AI which acts like you with your own personality or whatever character you made that will talk to the people for you and work in your persona. Okay? So when you get here, these are what it's gonna look like. You see in this one, I have 268 followers. It's really simple. And what's crazy about girls is that there's girls that are literally making thousands of dollars, bro. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some of my clients make over $100,000 a month. No funny shit. I can't tell you who they are, but it's crazy. So here, let me show you some things you can discover. So let's look up some other possible girls' accounts that you can even look for inspiration. And obviously, I'm gonna look for something wholesome. I interrupt this video to tell you, you want to try this tool or use this tool in any way, it's in the description right now. I got the link for you. You will be able to use this ASAP and it's free. Yes, I said it's $0. So before you tell me, I'm from Nigeria, I'm from America, I'm from Indiana, I'm from Jersey, it's okay because the shit don't cost money. It is dope. It is a dope tool and it's worth checking out. This is just one of the ways we're going to get rich with AI. Back to the video. So as you see, this is Instagram ready, nothing freaky, bro. It's just a girl being pretty. So there's gonna be somebody out here, some simp dude that's like, wow, she's pretty, I wanna talk to her, and just pay her for being pretty. Nothing else. You get what I'm saying? Nothing more, nothing less. It's literally gonna be that simple. The lady is Selena. You can click her page if you want some inspiration. You can literally see right here, she has 110 pieces of content. 17,000 likes and people are paying her because you can't view any of this without paying her. You get what I'm saying? So again, this is all safe for work. This is not anything freaky. I'm just showing you how you can use this platform. Now, some of the cool things about this is you got media paid links. You have your vault where all your content resides, your tracking links so you can track any creator that you do an affiliate link up with or a collaboration with. They got different promotions. Your automated messages are fire because this is how you're going to talk to your clients and your people. I'm not going to show this shit on YouTube. Not that it's bad or freaky, but we got to keep everything private. But it's really self-explanatory, and they literally even give you a pre-typed automated message, bro. So if you don't even know what to say, if you don't want to use ChatGPT, go to a different girl's account and join her thing for free. A lot of these accounts are free. Go see what they say to people. You have your other AI tools here, like an AI avatar builder, your account health to make sure everything here is strength or is in good strength, in the green. And they even have a management button. Now the management thing is simple. You want to put your email address here. You can connect the manager. So what that means, if you want to save your time, is that you can go on Upwork, you can go on Online PH. I don't know where the hell you want to go, some sort of freelancer website, or go use your followers on Instagram and say, hey, I need a manager, somebody that has proven success. You can add their email right here and they can get access to this tool right here and start using all these things to start monetizing and getting paid off your AI avatar. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blur people's names out and you won't be able to see any of that. I just want you to be able to see that these earnings are real. There's money pending right here. There's actual available money right here. I just want y'all to see, bro, it's real deal money available here. People are paying to just feel connected to someone, to something, bro. That's what I'm realizing. People want connection because people lack human to human connection now. And one thing that's dope about this website is when you click what's new, they always show you tons of different stuff that you didn't even know existed, bro. You can generate your whole bio using AI. I didn't know that. They got AI images. Guess what? You can make your content right here. AI generated images right here. Korea is now support. So look, if you speak Korean or your fans or your followers are in Korean, they even support this language now. So there's tons and tons and tons of new updates and upgrades that's constantly happening here. When I tell you this is just a dope ass tool that lets you stay more connected to your audience. So whether you want to create someone that's AI influencer like I did here with my girls here, or you create an AI volleyball player, social media is never going to be the same again, and content will never be the same again. So people will all use AI to edit, enhance their content, their videos, their photos. Well, they'll make movies using AI. FanView is a dope way and a dope tool that allows creators to go ahead and say, okay, this tool I'm gonna use to connect to my audience more, to get the lead generation, because we care about moolah, getting paid, and connecting with the people. People want to see the girls more. They want to see your cooking person more. Let them see them. Let them talk to them. FanView makes it all possible. All the tools are in here. Self-explanatory. Like the video. Check the description. Everything you need will be right there because FanView is fire. You hear me?